While using our Click and Add Builder, you noticed the Click and Add template, and since you deal with a lot of links every day, you'd like to try and make one to make things easier for yourself. Well, here's how I do so. Go to URL Building, Templates, Click and Add Builder, and add a template. You're able to enter your template name, your category name, if you so choose, and source medium, terms, content, and custom tags as you please. Selecting the source medium, content, and term tags is very easy, just click and click, but for custom tags it's a little bit different, especially if you want to add more than one. Say I want to add more than one region. I want to add all North America regions. Now I want to add specific ones, so I go plus, add new regions tag, and then search for the one in question. I want to search for Canada, and I want to search for the United States. There they are. Alright, I think I'm satisfied. Having chosen all of my other tags, I think I'm ready to name this and save it. Each link you put into the Click and Add Builder will have one of each tag combination. Now let's finish and save. And there you have it, a template that you can always go back and edit, and that you can always use in the Click and Add Builder. Now if I want to make a campaign with the Click and Add template, then I just enter the name, enter my links, and then only select the template. And there you have it, already taken care of for you. You didn't need to click anything else. Now if your template has specific tag combinations that don't work for a certain link, like let's say in Canada, I don't want an organic social video ad. I can just delete that, and that specific one won't be created. Alright, I've made the customizations I want. Now I can finish and save. And so, you've now made your first Click and Add campaign with a template.